you have to watch this video till the end if you are thinking about buying this product. This is the very viral Maybelline Teddy Tint. It's been going viral, and how? If you guys want to save some money or contemplating to buy this product, watch this video till end. Probably you might change your view. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to review the super viral, hyped up Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tint. I've been testing out this product. If you guys want to know more of my perspective about this product, then let's quickly get into the video. So recently I uploaded a video wherein I was like trying out new launches, the unboxing, the first impression, etc. There I said the packaging and all, the entire description of the packaging and all I have shared in that video, so please go and check it out. I have been trying new makeup launches, so I would suggest please go and check it out. Leave the video link in the iCard right here and also in the description box below. A little bit backstory why I got this product, because obviously because of the packaging. I loved this packaging. I usually don't do impulse purchasing, but this was an impulse purchasing for me because the packaging stood out to me. Because of the packaging, I got this product. This is the outer packaging. I must say the outer color really matches to the inside color as well. So they have done an excellent job with the packaging, and that's where everything ends. Please, if any of you have tried out this product and have been loving this, then please apologize me for saying it, because this product really didn't work out for me, because I have been trying it out in so many different ways to make it work, but it absolutely didn't work out for me. Of course, I'm going to show you the application and everything in a bit. I'm going to also insert the clips of my wear test side by side so that you guys can like see why it didn't work out for me. First of all, the shade ranges a little bit confusing. They don't have much of nude shades, but they do have this color wheel. I'm going to pop a picture of segregated all the shade ranges into 4 quadrants, and I have picked up this dark nude shade which caters to the Indian dusky skin population, and it also comes in the warm undertone category. So that's the reason I picked up. This is in the shade Keep It Cozy. So this is the darkest nude shade available for the deeper skin tone. I quite like the shade, to be honest. Let me give you a swatch. This product is very sheer. So you guys can see this is the first layer and it's very sheer. It does not give a full pigmentation, and honestly I'm not expecting it to give a full pigmentation because this is a tint. So tint is not supposed to give you a full pigmentation, but I'm not mad about that. I'm gonna just layer it just in case. So this is the first, and I'm gonna layer it like twice, thrice. You guys can see the above one is the first layer, and the second one is I have tried to build it up 3-4 layers. So the pigmentation wise it is okay. I mean, it's a tint, so it's not supposed to be fully pigmented, so I agree, because they have not marketed it as a full blown lipstick. It's a Teddy tint, it's supposed to be a tint. Okay, so when I first applied, I saw some reviews and people were like, it's super comfortable. Everyone did say that it's gonna be sticky. So when I first tried it out, I had put 2-3 layers to get that full pigmentation, because I am NC 43.5. For me, I have a pigmented lips. Tint usually doesn't work on me because my upper lip is pigmented और वहाँ पे तो पूरा patchy लगता है, and lower lip is not pigmented, wherein the tint shows up. So it obviously looks very bad because of the color mismatch. Generally, I do build up my tints, and if at all I have to wear a tint, I kind of wear a tint and then over which I apply a lipstick or a lip gloss, wherein it looks good and the longevity is also good because you have applied a tint. But since this product I want to test it out, I layered it 2-3 times, and oh my god, it was so uncomfortable. I am someone who doesn't mind the sticky feeling. I loved the Superstay Maybelline ink lipstick. I also was okay with the vinyl lip ink also. I don't mind stickiness, because stickiness ensures that it's gonna be moisturizing. Yes, I do agree it's gonna be a little bit uncomfortable for some people, but at least it's not drying. Stickiness and dryness is two different things. Both can be uncomfortable, I agree, but for me, the uncomfortability of stickiness is okay. Any sort of discomfort from the dryness is not okay. Whenever I have to choose between a dryness and a stickiness, I always choose the stickiness. But this was so bad. First of all, I applied this and I traveled all the way in train till I reach work. It was like good half an hour to 40 minutes, and the entire time I did not purse my lips. Like purse Forget about pursing my lips. I did not even get to close my lips. I was like, this is a weird. Train में भी मुझे लोग देख के लग रहे हैं what weird thing this girl is doing. The people will watch. I have to consciously like close my lip. I couldn't even close my lip. I was like, oh my god, it was so bad. The urge of pursing my lip constantly, and when I pursed, it was so sticky. Okay, then I gave some time and it was like good 2 hours. It stopped transferring. Well, when you're out and about, I was scared that if a lip product is not drying, it might get into your teeth and it's a very bad look. That's my biggest pet peeve. I don't like it. So I was very careful not pursing my lip and all. Like after like say good 1 hour or so, it kind of became transfer proof. Then I started like pursing my lip and everything, but it was very uncomfortable. Obviously, I work in a hospital. I was wearing a mask because I work in OT, and I was wearing a mask and I did not have a good feeling. So I started pursing my lip constantly because I did feel dry. It's coming from someone who doesn't have a problem with stickiness, and within some time it started crumbling. First of all, wherever my pigmentation was there, it did go away from there. Beach mein thode thode patches reh gaye because I started pressing and I started like um I started doing this, something like that, and it started coming in crumbles, and it was the worst feeling that I had with lipstick. I don't know why people are raving about it. I absolutely regret buying it because it's not inexpensive. It was 7.99. Obviously, I got it on some discount, but still, I don't think I'm gonna use it. Probably I'll use it as a cheek tint, but come on, you guys, I have so many cheek tint. Why would I spend 7.99 on this just to end up using it as a cheek tint? It's a waste of money, honestly. The shade itself is okay. You guys can see अभी तक dry नहीं हुआ है. ये मेरा पूरा वीडियो खत्म हो जाएगा लेकिन ये ड्राई नहीं होने वाला. All those people who are saying ये 5 मिनट में ड्राई होता है, 10 मिनट में ड्राई होता है, I really want those people and test this product on them with my visual eyes because I feel seeing is believing. I cannot believe whoever is saying 5 minutes when it dry hota hai. You guys let me know in the comment section below. Have you tried this product? Is it working for you? I would really like to know your thoughts, and let's have a conversation about this product in the comment section. Then the later I had a meal, और meal के बाद तो ये पूरा ही चला गया. I don't have like extremely oily meal or something. Normal roti sabzi दाल चावल salad रहता है मेरे खाने में, and it completely went away. I was like ठीक है ये crumble हो रहा है, maybe मैंने ज़्यादा layers लगा दिया शायद इसीलिए ये ऐसा हो रहा है. तो I was like, people did say that it's very long lasting, so I had like high expectations from it. Once I had my meal, it was completely gone, but it was not gone completely. No, it is going to embarrass you in half. It went in patches, और जो patches रह गए थे, it was very crusty, very crumbly. And now I don't know what to do because it was not going. I tried to rub my lips, but वो patches रह गए. Those patches are long lasting, not the whole thing. You get my point what I'm saying? This time then I applied a lip balm because I just wanted it out of my lips. So sorry guys. I'm so sorry guys. I'm having little sore throat, and that's why my voice is a little nasal, and I might have a little bit tearing, but please ignore it. I don't have problem shooting at all. And after this tint was gone out of my lips, it was still sticky. You guys, you have that sticky feeling for the longest time. Probably that's what people are saying when they say it's long lasting. Probably the stickiness is long lasting, not the lip tint as well. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm just bashing this product and how, because I'm angry, you guys. I spent my hard-earned money on this and it was a waste. I got influenced and bought it. So that's the reason probably I'm so angry. Anyways, we're sidetracking, and I scraped my lips because obviously you don't carry a makeup remover or a micellar water to your work, right? Who does? But probably I'm going to use this lip shade again outside or in my work. Probably I'll carry a makeup remover because this was a disaster to me. I started scraping and then finally it was out. So that was a disaster of day one. Then again, मेरी चूल खत्म नहीं हुई. Okay, I layered it too much. People did say कि इसको इतना layer नहीं करना चाहिए. So I was like, okay, let me apply a light wash of color on my lips for the gym. Because gym में again मैं protein लेती हूँ, water लेती हूँ. So again I guess to test lip products during my gym also, because you're tired, you're sweating, and you purse your lips, you mum your lips, you're breathing out. So again, lipstick can be put to gym as well. So I applied a slight wash of color, then with the help of my finger, I blended it out. It did not cover my pigmentation, but I was like, okay, let's see, because this is not washing me out. So definitely I was like, okay, let me wear it as a tint and go. It went off within half an hour. वो टेंट चला गया था. हाँ, I would like to definitely say that when I applied a light sheer, when I applied like a sheer tint on my lip, it did not feel that sticky as opposed to how I layered it. So I was like, okay, probably this is how you're supposed to wear it. It was not sticky. Like, it was sticky, but it was quite comfortable and quite bearable. I did not mind that stickiness. Within half an hour, it was gone. Again, वही patches में चला गया. My upper pigmented and the lower pigmented border में जो था, it was completely gone. बीच में सिर्फ blotches की तरह थे. I was like, come on. अभी इसको मैंने sheer tint के तरह use किया. Then also it didn't work out. I came back home and I tried to remove it with the regular micellar water. नहीं गया. I had to use a separate oil to remove the blotches. जो sheer tint का हल्का सा blotches रह गया था, for that also it required an oil. Even after showering, after face wash, वो stickiness फिर भी रहता है. So I don't know when they say it's long lasting. Super stay means, I think it's not super stay teddy tint, it should be super stay stickiness. I think I've been speaking a lot, and I know I've been bashing this product. आज तक मैंने इतना bash कोई brand को या कोई product को नहीं करा है. I have had products regret buying in the past, but this was the worst. In no ways I'm gonna say कि I can make it work. Probably as a tint, but मेरी तो हिम्मत नहीं है इसको मैं वापस lips पे लगाऊं. I tried it even couple more times, but it's an embarrassment to me. I don't want to be embarrassed like that. Obviously मैं इसको आपको लगा के application अभी दिखाने वाली हूँ. I'm gonna insert a clip of the application definitely, but at the same time I'm also gonna be inserting the wear test जो भी मैंने करा है. I'm gonna first show you how it looks when it's applied like a tint. I'm just not gonna layer it, just the first coat. So I'm gonna take a finger and just blend it out. So that's what is my first layer as a tint. I did apply it and slightly like spread it out with my finger. Can you guys see the shade is so beautiful? I love the shade. And all is still seen, but I'm okay, I can let it go, but it doesn't last long. And if you guys can see, ये इतना sticky नहीं है अब. Okay, now let's try to build it out. Oh my god, I just love this shade. You guys can see even after building it up, ये अभी तक full pigmentation मेरे को यहाँ पे बीच में नहीं दे रहा है. So obviously like I have to go with one more layer. And now after like you can see 2-3 layers के बाद ये pigmentation काफी हद तक मेरा mask कर रहा है. So this is my complete application. इसको मैंने 2-3 layer build up किया है, and this is how my lips look like. I honestly love the shade. It's a very warm brown tint. So let me press it and show you. Okay, do you see? ये इधर build up हो गया. I hope you guys can see ये नीचे इधर build up हो गया, and it starts to look little like it's started to pilling. थोड़ा build up हो गया, balls बन रहे इधर. And ऊपर से निकल गया. So once you press it before it gets dry down, ये ऊपर से ऐसा निकल गया. So again trying to fix it with the help of my finger. I'm trying to do it. Product ऊपर से remove भी हो रहा है. Oh my god. Imagine आपने एक लिपस्टिक खरीदा है और उसके पीछे काम करने के लिए आपको इतना मेहनत करना पड़ रहा है. Let's summarize with the pros and cons if I have to. The first thing is the packaging. I love the packaging. The packaging is amazing. The second thing, if I have to say, is the shade. The shade is very good. The shade is Keep It Cozy, and it's gonna suit all dusky, deeper tan complexion, no matter what your skin tone is. Kuch pros hai? I don't think so. Let's talk about the cons. A, this is expensive. It's for 799 rupees. I don't think it's worth it. Second con is it's super sticky. This is the most stickiest thing I have ever worn in my life. Then the third thing, it doesn't last long. The stickiness lasts long, but not the tint. Fourth thing, it's not gonna be beautiful for the dusky, deep tan complexion. You cannot get a full pigmentation on this tint pigment. If you try to build it up, it's gonna be very sticky, and that stickiness is gonna last for eternity. Then the next con is, I don't even remember kitna number ho gaya, but yeah, the next con I feel is, you guys see I've been talking since long, but yeah, abhi tak dry nahi hua hai. Let me smudge it. And it does smudge, so you guys can see it takes forever to dry as well. So yeah, abhi bhi smudge ho raha hai, and no, I've been talking since I guess 30 minutes or so. Abhi tak ye smudge ho raha hai. So overall, would I recommend you purchasing it? I don't think so, but overall I don't think you should waste your money on this. These are my thoughts. Again, makeup is very subjective. You have to understand, if some things work for you, not necessarily should work for me, and vice versa. I am like resting my case here. Please do let me know in the comment section below about your thoughts. I would love to know. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys found this video really helpful, and I really wish that you watched this video till the end. Hope I helped you in formulating an opinion for yourself, and that was the motto of this video. And please do subscribe my channel, be a part of this family. I post long format video every Wednesday and Sunday, and shorts on Monday, Friday and Saturday. Also hit that notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a video. And with that, I'm gonna take off, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da, bye bye.